homies, it's your homegirl Natalie. We are doing a fun video today where my sister is actually styling me. She's not here right now because she's actually at Pilates. I was supposed to go to, but yesterday I did a skin treatment and I don't know if you can really see like how, girl, the skin treatment, I'll just tell you, I cried. Like I cried. Yeah, so that was painful. Anyway, I'm not allowed to go to the gym or anything like that for like 3 days or something. Sister set up some outfits for me over on the Index app. And my sister's not really all about whatever is trending. My sister's style is very much so her own stuff. Again, she's not really like on social media. She's not very much so swayed by trends or whatever, even though that is part of her job. But I think her as a person, she really isn't. My sister and I have quite different styles, but I think the foundation of it is kind of the same, of like just wearing stuff that makes you really feel like you, makes you feel like good and all that stuff. And my sister was definitely one of my biggest style inspirations growing up. So let's see what she pulled out for me. Already looking at it, she's adding a lot more black than I normally do. So this is going to be quite interesting. So let's get to the first outfit. What in the world is this? Like this? This I think my sister was joking with me with this one because I don't know what this is, but this is probably by far the wackiest one that she made. And granted, she was doing this at like midnight and this girl normally goes to sleep at 9. So I feel like she was just like, you know? So yeah, we have these green pants, this Valentine's Day candy top, animal print hat. Put on these, but I don't think she could have been able to figure out that the point of this and this was not going to fit. So it looks like this right now. Yeah, so we can't do that. But anyways, this is outfit number 1. I don't know if I'm actually gonna make this outfit number 1. I think I'm gonna show it to her and she might be like, girl, no. Anyways, let's keep it moving. This one, quite interesting. Even something out of my realm for sure. But hey, you know what? Is it a comfy outfit? It is. It is. Hey.
Oh no, this is Ajuma realness. You know, I thought the top was a tank top, like a tight tank top. It's not cute. And why the hell are you wearing your pants so damn high? You need to bring her low.
That's how it normally goes, girl.
Okay, well, next.
I do not know. I don't know if this is the way she wanted me to interpret this outfit, especially because she's not here, but we're just gonna go with it. I don't think I've ever worn this with sneakers. How do I feel in it? I mean, it's a comfortable outfit. I can't lie, it is comfy. And again, I don't know if like adding all of this was part of it, but we're just gonna act like it was because I don't know how else to put it together. I don't know, I have to ask her and she might be like, no, that wasn't the way. But anyways, here is the look. What do y'all think?
The scarf should have been on your hair too, but I think she's cute. I wouldn't change it.
All right, we get to this outfit. I haven't tried on these jeans since the day my friend gave them to me. And they were like really tight, but I was like, I think I could make it work. She's like, you'll fit into them eventually, girl. And eventually is today because she fits into them. Jeans are from House of Sunny. I don't know if they do any of these styles anymore, or if they're more like high fashion and all of that stuff. But let me just say, House of Sunny jeans, probably some of the best I have worn because I don't know, the waist to hip ratio, there's always an imbalance. The waist is either too big, the hip is too small or something like that. But for these, they always just fit so nicely. Like it actually fits someone with a butt or even just hips even. Yeah, shout out to y'all. So we have a little bit of my sister's personality coming through. She loves animal print. The red and green is something that I personally wouldn't have done because I feel like, oh, will that look too Christmas? You know what? It's fine because we added in this blue. It works. And then on top of that, this colorful bag. It's funny because these glasses, I don't even wear them out really as like glasses. I wear them out to do like, you know, random little videos with me and Albie. And then we added on this belt that actually is too big for on the belt loops of the jeans. So I just wore it out. But this outfit is so cute. It makes me feel very much so ready for spring, summer, because actual summer, Korean summer, this would be way too hot to wear. Transitioning into summertime, it's giving you neon, animal print, happy vibes, and I really like that. So thanks.
My only thing would be like, unfortunately, the shoes are a little too yellow compared to your pants. I wish they were white or change it to black shoes or maybe just another colorful shoe. But other than that, it looks cute. This came out the way I thought it was gonna. and it looks cute.
If there's one thing that my sister loves to wear, fabric that she loves to use to make her stuff, it is mesh. A girl loves mesh. It's easy, it's forgiving. Well, I don't know about easy, but it's definitely forgiving. Although she did not make these pants, she did make this top, and this is like one of her little prototype tops. But yeah, so this is a look. Initially, these were supposed to be with some sandals that unfortunately a friend broke accidentally. I am just wearing these with some Doc Martens. I'm hoping that this was a good, appropriate footwear choice. And then she added in these really cute, small, little dainty earrings. And then she gave me a little black backpack. This kind of reminds me of the fact that I remember when Karina was telling me how I needed a black tote bag in my wardrobe. And I think, again, it's very much so apparent. If I had one, I think it would fit really well. But instead, all I have is a black backpack. This makes me feel like I'm going to a rave or something. And my sister's from Cali, and she has definitely gone to more festivals than I have. So I feel like this is probably something that she would be like, or I don't know. Does she listen? She listens to that music sometimes, but then there's other like music. I don't know, but but anyways, this is definitely quite short on me. This feels like a first. Would I be able to wear this out in Korea? Yeah, to the motherfucking out. I would be way too scared to be showing off this much, even though like technically I'm covered, but I'm not really all the way covered. I think this was just a good little step, little try, and seeing how I feel in like new kind of outfits like this is definitely something new for me. But I'm kind of hoping that she walks in right now so that she can see how this looks like, and if she's like yes, or she's like what. I definitely need a tote. I gotta make myself a tote. The body looks good though, at least on camera. Okay, we've been going to Pilates every day since she came. Well, not every day. Monday through Friday, we've gone like 3-4 times a week. Ooh, I also didn't have breakfast today because, you know, we had to start filming, so ooh. It's so interesting how closets work and everything, because would this be something that I would have personally paired together? No, but it makes sense when my sister put it together, because it's like if I was gonna go, yeah, to a rave, a festival, a concert, something outside. I've never gone to like a water bomb or anything, but if I did, this would be the outfit I would be wearing.
Oh, wow. But you know what? She cute. I likes. I wish you had something on your hip. This is definitely a festival vibe, but I think she turned out really, really cute.
Yo, I am so happy that my sister styled these freaking sweats, because again, I was kind of really just styling it, not all that much, just wearing it as like cuter sweatpants, but not actually really styling it. So I'm happy that she picked these out. She paired it with this crop top that I haven't worn in a really long time, but it makes sense because it's like sporty but so cute and colorful. She added in some additional details to bring the colors. She added in my little all dogs are little dogs tote bag. Tote bag has really gone through it. Like I remember when it was like freaking vibrant blue and full of life, and now she's just slowly dying. And a red scrunchie. We have these multicolored earrings as well. She decided to ground it all together with some like nude colored, cream colored sunnies. She could have gone with the red, but maybe it would have been too matchy. And if there's something that my sister doesn't like, she doesn't like to be very matchy. I realized on this trip. Oh, and there's also some multicolored sneakers as well. Hard for me at times to be like casual and everything, because I want to kind of always be dressed up. So this is a good outfit of like, if we're gonna go bike riding, girl, wear something comfy, casual. I have a big old bag that I can bring in like a small little hoodie if I get too cold later at night, but this is casual, sporty, and good. So yes, thank you, sis. Thank you, sis Tar.
Oh, I love this outfit. I want this outfit too. I really don't have any notes. I think the flow colors are cute, the pop colors, because it also goes with the tank top. I would wear this outfit because it looks comfy and cute.
All right, we get to the next look, and I'm covering one of my ears because the other earring I need to glue on to it again. But my sister is also back from Pilates now, so let's hear from. This is a club 1-2. This dress and scarf combo is actually what I worn for one of the dance covers that I did. I actually went to go get this hemmed, and I feel like I need to hem it even more now. Too long. It's like, I want it to be like, because I think once it gets a little hiked up a little bit more, it's a little bit more clubby, and that's what we want, you know? There we go. Outfit complete.
Yeah, this is Hoochie Mama and the Hoochie Mama.
Your voice started so loud. It's just getting smaller.
It looks good. It looks good. I have no notes in this outfit. I mean, of course, I think all these outfits, the hair needs to match the vibe, but I know we're not doing all of that right now. Because this would be cool with a high sleek ponytail, you know?
Okay, we get to the next outfit. This is what my sister picked out, and this is exactly what I'm wearing. Thoughts?
Sure.
She eating right now, sorry. I caught her at a wrong time.
Because this is what I would wear.
If the top was longer, I feel like this would be something that I would have worn to work when I was still a teacher. Because my kids would be like, oh my God, teacher, you look so crazy. I'd be like, I know. What color is that? What color is this? What your inspiration was?
Animal Kingdom.
You heard it here first. This is drugged out Amazon ride.
You need the mesh so the mosquitoes can get you.
You heard that? It is practical, stylish, and fun.
Oh yeah, this is also one of my favorites because I would wear this too. I don't think it would change anything about it.
This one, my sister was like, wait, we're changing this, we're changing that. This was the initial idea, but then we switched it over to here. She wanted, so what, my grandpa, I don't give a fuck. Because it's too... Exactly, thank you. It's too much to have to change, to put it back on. Now I got to put a different bra on. It's just, anyways, I don't even have safety shorts on, girl. But anyways, see, look at that. She said no. Okay, thoughts on this?
Cute.
Yeah, very cute. Unfortunately, I just need to have better tights because literally the tights don't even go all the way to my crotch there. It's like this much off. So normally I would have some safety shorts and that would kind of just help. Even if I'm like wearing some type of tights that doesn't go all the way, once you put on the safety shorts, it kind of just se acomoda and then it, you know, fits fine. But anyways, it's really cute. I love these kind of belts. Unfortunately, in Korea, finding like this size to fit over your hips, like you just really can't. Because I bought a belt thinking it would have been good on my hips. It was good on their hips. For me, it was good on my waist. So that was the only thing. My sister really wanted to add in some silver jewelry. Unfortunately, I don't really have all that much silver like stuff. I don't have that type of stuff because I don't really wear that type of stuff. And she didn't have enough. So instead we opted for one of her little chokers that she has. And obviously if I were to wear this out, could wear strapless bra, but my favorite thing is to actually instead just wear boob tape. But I actually ran out, so I don't have any of that anyway, so hey.
Oh yeah, I was here for this. I definitely had to switch it up because I should look ugly girl before. Now she looks cute. I wish it was a little bit more like ruggedy, but it still works. Oh, everyone sees my tramp stamp. And my baybacks. Oh no. But I think this outfit is mad cute. It's giving festival, but it's also giving club. Oh, what happened to all the red accessories?
Oh, I guess I forgot.
Ooh. Well, but she's a sexy girl.
All right, so one thing my sister noted for this outfit was to make sure to wear her rosary. Bada bing, bada boom, boom. She also thought this was actually a bustier, and I showed her. I was like, no, girl, this is just like a little lace top. So she was like, wear the little chicken cutlets that she has. So that's what we're doing right now. This feels very out in the open for me personally. This right here is making me feel like Madonna, probably like a virgin. She also put on these cute little platforms. What I do like is that actually all of the colors are coming together. This nice like blush pink on the platform. You could see it in this little like overthrow that I have. And we have whites, creams, and these lace blues on top of that. So that is a look. Oh, and then the blue in the jeans also go with the blue in the earrings.
Oh, okay. It's giving Boho. It's giving 2012s. I like it. And I actually think the shoe kind of matches. I wish the pants were longer, to be honest. Okay, so it wasn't that off with the colors. I like it. I think you should wear it like that.
A word from our stylist.
Cute.
Boom. What was your inspiration?
Barbie.
To paint the picture, she's in a robe right now. She just took a shower and she's drinking some matcha latte, right?
No, I just coffee.
Oh, she's drinking coffee. Okay. My likes. I like that there's the little pop of pink along with this. Well, actually, this was the original outfit, but then when we tried it on, she didn't like the poofiness of the actual top.
Yeah.
So, and she opted for this.
Yeah, it was giving to like Days of Our Lives blouse.
It was giving 2 Days of Our Lives blouse, as she said.
Cute. I like it. She looking like I want to be neutral, but I'm also crazy. So here we go.
There we go.
A little
Exactly.
preview.
A little preview of the craziness. Because if you were to take this off, well, then again, this shirt says I don't care. So she just don't care. She just don't care.
And you could dress it up with like black strappy heels.
Mm-hmm.
But we out here running because you know what? Koreans be running for the motherfucking subway or that crosswalk. So we gotta beat them.
Yeah, we gotta beat them. We need them. You know what? My heels are right here. Because when I get to where I need to go, I could switch them out. But
so
until
like little black strappy heels or black mules.
Yeah, but for right now, we're gonna wear these. But I still want to make sure that they look good with my outfit, so that's why.
Yeah,
that's the storyline. That's the reason. And then she also added in these cutie little silver heart earrings as well, and these sunnies. Oh yeah, this is also one of my faves. I think I really like doing some kind of black or neutral kind of things with pop of colors. Because sometimes when you're a little too colorful, it might look clownery. This is cute. It's giving vintage Barbie aesthetic. I'm glad that we picked out some cute socks for you. I think you had it without socks at first. So this corset was a zip up thing, but then it didn't fit me. And so I made it into an actual just like lace up corset. So normally when I wear this, I have to put on medical tape so that it sticks to the top of my chest, because if not, it just falls. Anyways, this is my sister's final look, but this is another way where I could finally wear this skirt. I know I'm always like, I don't know how I wear this skirt. Oh.
Like you need something on your necklace.
I need something on my necklace?
I mean on your you need something on your neck.
My chola chabuco shoes. Actually, you know what? I actually did wear this once out to the club.
Also, you could also
Yeah. Bam. We'll just hold her here.
super España.
My likes. Now, my sister didn't get to see all of the outfits on,
No, I want to see if I could have edited.
but I can't wait to show her the first outfit that you guys also.
I thought it was a crop tank top. I didn't know that shit was big as fuck.
I can't wait to see how this one turns.
I like her. It's just she needs accessories. She look Nike. But she ready to dance. She's ready to salsa. She ready to tango. She ready to go out, stomp on these streets and these hoes. Oh yeah, I forgot. We said like we could pick it up and you could do a flower, but then you have to take out that flower. All these outfits, I feel like because your hair is just there, like it's just long and just not really doing much. It kind of looks like you're just wearing the outfit before you get like really done up. It still look cute. I like. And I feel like with this too, if you want to wear sneakers, something lower, if that ruffle hits the ground, it will look cool too. You still will look tall.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely something different. Tried out some new combinations. Yeah, I'm gonna show you, girl. I want to show you, but I also want to get some of your commentary. So it's like, do I show you when it's done so then you could comment on it? Okay, so I'm gonna have to edit this one real quick so she could. Jadina edit. This is what I would have additionally changed or whatever into the video. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you again to my sister for styling me, and I'll see you in the next one. Hope this video finds you safe. Hope you're doing super duper well. We're gonna get ready to go on out. Alrighty, ciao.